Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we discuss about organization and administration of health services in India or health care delivery system in India. So guys, before starting my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So now start the video. Firstly, we know that the introduction of healthcare delivery system. So the introduction is India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. But now this time India have 9 territories and the ninth is Ladakh. States are largely independent in matters related to the delivery of healthcare to the people. And now we discuss about the definition of healthcare delivery system. And the definition is it implies the organization, delivery, staffing, regulation and quality control of healthcare services. And now the objective is it's a 4 objective. And the first objective is to improve the health status of population, to improve the experience of care, to reduce the economic burden of illness, to improve social justice equality. And now we discuss about the organization of health services, and it is divided into 3 levels: central level, state level and district level. But here we only discuss about central level, and central level is divided into 3 parts: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Central Council of Health and Director General of Health Services. And Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is divided into 2 parts: Department of Health and Department of Family Welfare. Department of Health is organized by Secretary, Joint Secretary, Deputy Secretary and large administrative staff. And Department of Family Welfare is organized by Secretary, Additional Secretary, Commissioner and Joint Secretary. Now we discuss about the function of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and it is divided into 2 lists: union list and concurrent list, according to responsibility of concerning authority. And firstly we discuss about union list. And the union list is International Health Relation and Administration of Port Quarantine. Second is Administration of Central Institute. Third is Promotion of Research through Research Center. Next is Regulation and Development of Medical, Paramedical, Dental and Nursing Profession. And the next is Census Collection and Publication of other statistical data. Then Immigration and Emigration. Next is Regulation of Labor in the Work Field. And now the concurrent list is Prevention of Extension of Communicable Disease. Next is Prevention of Food Adulteration. Then Control of Drug and Poisons. Then Vital Statistics, Labor Welfare, Economic and Social Planning. And next is Population Control and Family Planning. And now Central Council of Health. It is set up by a presidential order on 9th August 1952 under Articles 263 of the Indian Constitution. Now the function. The function is divided into 4 parts. The first is consider and recommended board outline of the policy. Second is recommendation regarding distribution of available aid for health purpose. Third one is make proposal of legislation in field of medical and public health. Last one is establish organization to maintain cooperation between central and state health care. And now, Director General of Health Services means DGHS. DGHS divided into three parts. Deputy DGHS means medical care, Deputy DGHS public health, and Deputy DGHS general administration. And now we discuss about the function. And function is divided into two parts, general and specific. And the general is survey, planning, coordination, programming, and appraisal of all health matters. And specific function is international health relation, control of drug standard, medical store report, postgraduate training, medical education, medical research, health intelligence, national medical library, and central government health active. So guys, if you enjoyed my videos and if you like my videos, so please like, subscribe and share my channels. And guys, if you have any doubt related my video, so please comment in my comment box. Thanks for watching.